Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about vehicles in a simple, straightforward way. Today's topic is how to do a lien search on a car for 2025. If you're thinking about buying a used car, this is a must-know step. A lien is basically a legal claim on a vehicle due to unpaid loans or debts, and ignoring it could leave you with unexpected headaches. So, let's get right into it. First things first, gather your essentials. You'll need the vehicle identification number, or VIN, which is usually found on the driver's side dashboard or the vehicle's registration. Make sure you have that handy. Next, head over to your state's Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, website. In 2025, most states have upgraded their online portals for easier access, so look for the Lien Search, or Title Check, section. Once you're on the site, enter the VIN and any other required details like the car's make, model, and year. Some states might ask for your personal information for verification, so be prepared. Hit search, and the system will pull up any active liens. This usually takes just a few seconds. If a lien shows up, it means the car isn't fully paid off, and you might have to deal with the lender or walk away from the deal. Pro tip: for a more comprehensive check, consider third-party services like Carfax or the National Motor Vehicle Title Information System, NMVTIS. These can provide additional details, but remember, they might cost a small fee, totally worth it for peace of mind. Always double-check with your local laws, as requirements can vary by state. Wrapping this up, doing a lien search is a smart move to avoid scams and ensure you're getting a clean title. If you're new to car buying, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there. Let's hit the road with confidence.